Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about commercial solar installation. If you're a business owner, you may be wondering if solar is right for you. The answer is yes. It can be a great way to save money on your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about commercial solar installation, from the benefits to the costs. I'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right solar system for your business. Benefits of commercial solar. There are many benefits to commercial solar installation. Here are just a few. Save money on energy bills. Solar panels can generate electricity for your business, which can help you save money on your energy bills. The amount of money you save will depend on the size of your solar system and the amount of electricity you use. Reduce your carbon footprint. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of energy. When you install solar panels on your business, you're helping to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier environment. Increase your property value. Studies have shown that commercial properties with solar panels sell for more than properties without solar panels. This is because solar panels are seen as a desirable feature by buyers. Attract new customers. More and more customers are looking for businesses that are environmentally friendly. By installing solar panels, you can show your customers that you're committed to sustainability. Costs of commercial solar. The cost of commercial solar installation can vary depending on the size of the system and the type of solar panels you choose. However, the cost of solar has been declining in recent years, and it is now more affordable than ever before. The federal government offers a number of tax credits and rebates that can help offset the cost of solar installation. These incentives can save you thousands of dollars on your solar system. Choosing the right solar system. When choosing a solar system for your business, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. The size of your system. The size of your solar system will depend on the amount of electricity you use. You'll need to have an energy audit done to determine how much electricity your business uses. The type of solar panels. There are two main types of solar panels, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Monocrystalline panels are more efficient, but they're also more expensive. Polycrystalline panels are less efficient, but they're also less expensive. The mounting system. The mounting system is what holds your solar panels in place. There are a variety of mounting systems available, so you'll need to choose one that's right for your roof. Conclusion. Commercial solar installation can be a great way to save money on your energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and increase the value of your property. If you're a business owner, I encourage you to learn more about solar and see if it's right for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on solar energy.